Hey dudes and chicks, and neither if those rules don't apply to you. Welcome to Makeup for Lost Time. My name is Katie. Today I am going to be doing another challenge with his YouTube channel is called LifeNerd and his Instagram page is called LifeNerd. Today we're going to be doing another challenge with the Blood Sugar palette by Jeffree Star Cosmetics. And so we just like doing it so much that we decided to do that shit again. And the colors he chose for me are Cavity, O Positive, Sweetener, Coma, and Donor. So that's my color story. That's my color story, and I'm sticking to it. If you guys are interested in seeing what I did with this, then just hang out. And so I'm already primed. I actually decided to prime my eyes with the ABH primer, seeing as how I tried it yesterday for the first time ever. And I'm going to do, I just want to see how it works, if it helps in the crease. It's already creasing in the crease, so I don't see how it's possible. But I did actually have to go do something, so I shouldn't. I interrupted my primer set. So I'm going to use my Alter Ego number 4, and I'm going to just dig that right into the color Coma. And I'm just patting this along the lid and just above the crease. Man, this is such a pretty color. So I'm just kind of blending this into my crease so that I can actually try to get this to adhere to the ABH primer. And I'm just not going quite to the inner corner. Oh man, that is such a badass color. I'm stoked he picked it for me. So yeah, our last challenge went really awesome, and he did some killer looks. If you guys didn't see it, you should go check it out. He did 2 looks, I only did 1. Okay, now I'm just going through and just kind of blending this up so that I don't have so much of a harsh line. That looks fantastic. Fantastico! Now I'm going to use my Morphe M506, and I'm going to dip into the color Cavity, and I'm going to use that to just start blending this out. I've actually never used this color. Which is weird. I mean, I don't know, but it's probably one of the most popular colors in the palette. Could I be a huge poser? Oh my god, that looks so good. And I'm just kind of using a patting motion to blend this out instead of my usual, the huge. I really like doing these challenges because it gives me opportunities to like use techniques and do like different things that maybe I've been wanting to try. And I'm going to use another Morphe M506. Another VOLDEMORPHE. Fuck, my bad. I love this color O Positive because it looks like it's gray, but it's actually mauve. You guys know how I love those surprise colors. Surprise! I'm just going back into the color Coma and just kind of reinforcing this on the lid, and I'm going to try to help that crease, but you know what? I'm going to go back into the color O Positive, and I'm just going to bring that down because I like it. Really fucking pretty. Okay, and I'm actually going to use my Rephr 03, and I'm just color cleaning it because I haven't washed it yet, but it's this little tiny pencil brush, and I'm going to go into the color Coma, and I'm just going to drag that along my lower lid all the way across. And then with my VOLDEMORPHE M506 in the color Cavity. And then with my other VOLDEMORPHE M506, I'm going to bring this around. This is the color of Rotting Flesh. And then I'm going to use my Sigma B60 with no primer or anything, and I'm going to dip into the color Donor, this gold color. And I'm just going to drag this. And I'm just really blending that. And then back with my alter ego number 4, I'm just gonna pat. Ooh, that gradient is amazing. Okay, and then I'm just gonna go in with little tiny, my VOLDEMORPHE pencil brush, and I'm gonna go into the color Sweetener, and I'm gonna use that to highlight my inner corner. I love this color. I'm just spraying the brush. And dipping in a little bit more, and I'm gonna highlight my brow bone. And then with my VOLDEMORPHE JH30, I'm gonna just go and blend, give this a final swoop. Okay, I'm gonna go finish the rest of my look and I'll be back when I'm done. So this is the pièce de résistance, the manifesto. I feel like a fucking queen. I love the way this shimmer looks as you turn your head. It just looks so elegant and majestic. It just, I am in love with this, and I'm really grateful that I tried a new technique. I use my Lime Crime plushies in the color Blackberry on my lips, and then I use my Kaleidos highlighter in Comet Catcher on the Cupid's bow and then in the middle of my lips. And then I also use my Inglot purple liner in the color 64. They're not named, they're numbered. So, and then I use my my Black Moon Cosmetics eye wigs in the I fucking wish I would have kept the fucking box version. So anyway, it looks like this shadow is staying pretty good in my crease too. I don't know if it's the technique I used. I kind of used a couple things that I've been watching other people do, mainly Stacey Marie MUA. So she's been doing a lot of Instagram lives. And so I've been kind of like trying to imitate her style because I paid $1,000 to learn it and I never got to see it. Why? So yeah, I guess I'll tell you guys a little story. I love wearing this shirt. It's actually the shirt I was wearing when I relapsed the last time. And whenever I wear it, it actually is still stained because I wore it for so long. I don't know if you guys can see all the stains along the thing, but I wore it for like a week straight and it was brand new at the time. And then like, I just like wore it, like it looked super old by the time I was done with that, my last relapse. And so I don't know, it just reminds me of that. And even though it was terrible, my last relapse was terrible. It was so horrible. I did so much damage in that relapse. And I knew I was going to get caught and I knew I was going to lose my kid and I did it anyway. There's something about the mind of an addict that it's just like, no matter what, you have this thing inside of you that holds onto those memories like they're the finest fucking wine. And I always love wearing this shirt because it just reminds me of that dirty filthy time that I ruined my whole fucking life. This is so much fun. I love doing this with Eric. He is so great. He's a really good artist and he's super cute and he's super sweet. Go check out his video after you guys are done watching this, or even right in the middle of it, or right now, or even before. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button if you like this video, or even if you like me doing these looks with LifeNerd, Eric, and don't let me know down in the comments what you think about this look, what you think about Eric's look. I'd like to hear what you guys are thinking about his videos as well. And you can also follow me on Instagram. I post most of my looks on Instagram, except the ones that I don't really like that much. You guys can tell the ones that I like the most and ones that I didn't really like because they're on Instagram. And so I don't post every day, but you can follow me there at Makeup for Lost Time. It's spelled the exact same way. Hit the notification bell so that you can see every time I upload. Hit the notification bell so that you can see every time I upload. Thank you for spending your time here. You guys could have been anywhere, but you were here spending your precious time with me, and I totally appreciate you. Later.